Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to upload the product to Shop App. If you want to know how it's done in this video is for you. So uploading a product on Shop App is just the same as uploading a product on Shopify. This because Shop App is the official application of your Shopify online store. So for now, let's head over to our products right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see all the products that you have. So if you want to upload a new product, just head over and click on this ad right here. And then once you have done that, you just need to just name the product that you want. So for example, let's name this bag. And then you can also create a description depending on what bag you are actually selling. So you can generate a description or you can also create your own, totally depends on you. So this is the description that I have. After that, click on this media right here and you can upload a media of that specific thing. So it actually depends on what you want it to be. So just choose which video or which kind of media you want to add for this one. Next thing you need to do is you need to add in here a price. So for example, let's price this bag at around $49.99. And as you can see, it will look like this. So you can also put in here a cost per item. So for example, let's put in here $20 cost. You can also track the quantity and let's put in here quantity for this one. So let's put in here 99. And in here, you can also ship this since it's an actual physical product. So let's put in here shipping weight or shipping size like this one. And you can also put in here variants. And once you have done that, make sure to click on save right here. Make sure also the status is active. And once you have published a specific product on your Shopify, it should be able to also appear on your actual Shop app. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.